Welcome to another episode of ASQ 360. I am Krymkat, and our question for this week is, how can I build healthy friendships with the opposite sex? Friendships are a cardinal part of life, and the right friends are a key life strategy. With the right friends, you can get into the right doors. With the right friends, you can achieve the right things. You can achieve what you really desire in life. And so, because of this singular fact, healthy relationships and friendships are very important with the same sex and also as important with the opposite sex. You need it. So to build healthy friendships with the opposite sex, I believe it's possible. That's the very first thing I'll say to you. A lot of people have had their minds twisted to believe that building healthy relationships is just not feasible. And because that's the reason, they find it difficult to actually build those relationships. So first things I'll say first is believe that you can actually have a healthy relationship with the opposite sex. Think pure. The Bible says, to the pure all things are pure, and to the corrupt all things are corrupt. So think pure and think that you can actually have it. When you believe it, you would actually see that your desires are materializing. Secondly, have clearly defined boundaries. Most people say they don't have boundaries in this relationship, and that's why anything goes and anything happens. Have boundaries, have clearly defined boundaries. And if you have these boundaries, let them not just be known to you, but also to your friends, and let these boundaries be modified across the peculiarities of each relationship. Another thing I'd like to say to you is back your boundaries with intentional action. So keep your boundaries. If you say this is your boundary, don't go ahead and break the boundary. Don't be the person that keeps breaking the boundary and pushing the line. It will give the signal to the other person that you're not serious about it, and also give them the pass to also break the boundaries. Another thing I'd like to say to you is be accountable. Have friends, have mentors that you are accountable to about your relationships. This helps you to keep those boundaries, and it helps you to know when something has shifted. Certain times in relationships, because we are present in it, we don't really know when things have shifted. But when we have kept the boundaries, when we are accountable to people, it can help us know and navigate those kind of situations. Lastly, and very importantly, trust in the Lord with all your heart, and don't lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him. Most times we don't acknowledge God because it's as little as friendship, but that's very important because it's a life-altering situation, and God has a way to let you know when certain things are not going to work out in the way they ought to. So when He's heeding you, He's warning you, He's giving you signs, listen to Him and trust Him and acknowledge what He has said. And in the long run, you will understand why He warned you ahead of time. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel. God bless you. Bye.